I'm Natalia Bonner. Welcome back. I am so happy to be here today and share this beautiful quilt. This is just a sneak peek, a little snippet of this really cool quilt that I recently machine quilted. So this quilt, obviously it's a Christmas quilt, and I'm going to be quilting a whole bunch of triangles. Now over in our Piece and Quilt Academy, I do have a full in-depth video where I show you my process machine quilting this incredible quilt from start to finish, talk about the thread color changes and all of that yumminess. But today I thought it would be fun just to share a little bit of my process. So the threads that I am using are so fine threads on the top. That's what I love to use. I'm using bottom line threads on my bobbin. My rulers, you can see I'm going to be using the 4-in-1 Machine Quilting Ruler with my Piece and Quilt Pop Socket Ruler Grip. You can pick up all these products plus many more over on our website, pieceandquilt.com. Let's get stitching. So this is just one of the blocks on the background that I'm quilting here. But what I want you to see, this background is all based on triangles. Triangles that are sewn together to make diamonds. I know a lot of times when we look at a quilt block, it can be overwhelming. But if you can learn to break blocks down and instead of just seeing diamonds here, see triangles, it might make it a little bit easier to approach. With this design, I decided to just do some fun echo lines. As I'm stitching out these echo lines, I started on the side of the block using the side of my 4-in-1 Machine Quilting Ruler as a guide. From there, I didn't do any markings. I'm using the first marked line on my 4-in-1 Machine Quilting Ruler as spacing so that when I stitch out these straight lines, they're all going to be evenly spaced a ½ inch apart. After I stitch that first line, then I'll continue echoing in to the center until I filled in that diamond block completely. Now, you know that I do love Stitch in the Ditch. I love the look of Stitch in the Ditch. So that is something that I did go through and do as I was quilting those other diamond blocks or triangles using the green thread. So the Stitch in the Ditch work is done. You'll notice how after I stitch the first of these blocks, then I do travel along my ditch. Now because I am using the nice So Fine thread, if I do have to stitch over my stitch line a couple of times, that's okay. I'm not worried about that. The other thing I do want you to notice is I do have my fun Piece and Quilt Pop Socket Ruler Grip here on my 4-in-1 Machine Quilting Ruler. That really helps me keep a nice hold on my ruler and keep my ruler nice and steady as I work my way through this block design. Another fun thing that I did with this design, you can see that it's radiating out from the center. So I actually started at the Christmas tree and made this design radiate to the left on the left side of the Christmas tree and to the right on the right side of the Christmas tree. I hope you're all able to find just a little bit of inspiration from today's machine quilting video. If you do want to see my full process machine quilting this whole quilt, do hop over and join our Piece and Quilt Academy. Have a great day, everybody.